Imagine waking up to a rhythmic, ground-shaking thud, looking out your window and seeing 8 tons of muscle navigating the tight avenues of Manhattan. For thousands of years, every road we've paved and building we've raised has been based on a single unspoken premise: we are the undisputed masters of this planet. That assumption allowed us to build highly intricate yet fragile infrastructure. Our suspension bridges rely on precisely tensioned steel cables, and our skyscrapers are wrapped in sheets of glass, designs that work perfectly, provided nothing large enough to break them ever walks by. But Earth's previous apex predators were built for a much more violent world. Their massive bone density and physical power were adapted to crush armor and tear through flesh, making our modern engineering look like a house of cards. The sudden reappearance of these creatures would instantly pop the protective bubble that allowed human civilization to grow so vast and complex in the first place. Even before worrying about predators, we would face an immediate logistical collapse just from the herbivores. Herds of plant-eating dinosaurs wandering into urban centers present a physics problem we are entirely unprepared for. Our asphalt roads and concrete overpasses are engineered with strict load limits. A single adult Brachiosaurus can weigh upwards of 40 tons. The concentrated pressure of their footsteps would snap highway supports and buckle the roads we rely on for evacuation. And if you think we could simply corral them, consider our current animal containment systems. Zoos and wildlife preserves would become instantly obsolete. Even our most robust historical enclosures were designed to hold modern mammals. We build walls to contain elephants or rhinos, creatures that are a fraction of the size and strength of prehistoric behemoths. When biological forces drastically exceed established structural load limits, human engineering universally fails. While the herbivores dismantle our physical infrastructure through sheer mass, predatory dinosaurs bring a problem of precision lethality into the urban maze. This diagram plots the closing speed of a medium-sized predator against average human running capabilities within a standard city grid. The math here is grim. Their sprint speeds and pack-huntive intelligence completely outclass our physical ability to escape on foot. Notice how the wide avenues and glass-fronted buildings offer zero natural defense. Instead, they act as deadly funnels, stripping away our ability to hide. As this biological threat escalates, a massive secondary crisis would emerge: severe bureaucratic friction. The global scientific community would immediately push for access to the front lines. They would be desperate to study the biology of these animals and understand the mechanics of their sudden reappearance. But that curiosity would collide with the global government response. Faced with massive civilian casualties, militaries would enter a state of defensive panic, prioritizing immediate military neutralization over research. This friction, the clash between the desire for knowledge and the urgent need for physical survival, would stall organized action, accelerating our loss of control over the planet. Pulling back to a global scale, it becomes clear that geography offers no protection. This is a total biological resurgence, affecting every continent simultaneously. Despite our advanced military technology, the breakdown of our physical infrastructure and the sheer speed of these predators would leave global defense grids fractured and ineffective. This diagram of a food web pyramid shows humans alone at the top, but through trophic displacement, an invasive apex predator forces existing species down the ecological hierarchy. As massive dinosaurs insert themselves, we are actively pushed into the middle tier alongside other vulnerable prey. We'd no longer dictate the terms of our environment. Instead, we'd become mere survivors, forced to adapt in a world reclaimed by its original owners. Knowing that it would cost us our status at the top of the food chain, would you actually want dinosaurs to come back? Let us know with a yes or no in the comments below.